Hello, this is a way how I do to do stamping, but with wire to make some texture on a blank piece of metal. And the wire, we can use this type of wire. They use that on the garden, but because silver on silver we don't see it very well, so I decided to do it with that one. But any wire, and thinner the gauge is, better it is for smaller pieces, but doesn't matter. It's just the technique that I'm gonna show. So the plier you're gonna need is to build your design with the wire, so you have to know how to do wire wrapping, things like that. A needle tool, it's helpful. A tweezer, it's helpful. And important, because that's the technique, is using the painting tape and hammers. And there's also the mill for jeweler, the mill, but it's in the other side, so I'm not gonna show it. Catch you up with a slideshow.